Is your 2020 RAM key fob not working? Don't panic. The most common culprits are the battery, the programming, or the antenna. First, replace the CR32 battery. This is a 3 volts lithium battery commonly found in key fobs. Simply pry open the fob casing with a screwdriver, swap the old battery for a new one, and reassemble. If that doesn't work, try reprogramming the fob yourself. Turn the ignition to on position without starting the engine. Do this 8 to 10 times within 10 seconds, then press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously. If neither of those work, there may be an issue with the antenna. Remember, RAM issued a recall in early 2024 for faulty key fob receivers in certain 2020 models. Check if your vehicle was affected and schedule a free repair if eligible. In many cases, that may be the source of the problem and is the easiest fix. If battery and reprogramming don't solve the issue, the problem might be the antenna module. You can check for error codes using an OBD2 scanner. Damaged wiring or corrosion can cause antenna failure. If the antenna is faulty, it may need replacement. For a more modern solution, RAM introduced a smart key app integration for some models, reducing physical fob failures. Looking ahead, Stellantis plans to integrate AI diagnostics to predict fob issues. If all else fails, consult a certified RAM dealer for professional assistance. It may also be worth noting that non-OEM brands can cause a lot of issues.